Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to create smooth sliding text in Adobe Premiere. To start with, head up to the graphics panel and select the text tool. Now click in the preview window and type your text. You can reposition your text to the middle of your frame by clicking the select tool and dragging it, or by clicking edit under the essential graphics panel, then clicking these two buttons to align your text vertically or horizontally. Next, on your timeline, move your text clip to where you want the sliding animation to begin. Then ensure your text clip is selected and head over to the Effect Controls panel. Position your time marker at the start of your text clip. Under the Motion properties, click the stopwatch next to Position and it will create a starting keyframe. Adjacent to Position are two values. Drag the first value to the left and this will move your text off screen. Now move your time marker to where you want your sliding animation to end. Then drag the position's first value to the right and this will move the text back into frame and create an ending keyframe. Now you have a simple sliding text animation. To give it a smooth and professional finish, in the Effect Controls panel, click, hold and drag to select both of your keyframes. Right-click one of them and hover over Temporal Interpolation. Then select Ease In. That looks a lot smoother, much better. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you again soon.